Hey, it's Michelle here. I just wanted to pop on and give you a really quick live because I haven't abandoned my 365 days of junk journals. I wanted to let you all know that I am still getting ready to put the decorations on the cover of the Book of Shadows junk journal that I'm doing. But I wanted to let you know where I've been. I have been junk journaling every day. I am a craft coach. I'm a cut craft coach inside of a group called Whimzy and Wonder, and it's a Whimzy and Wonder crafting group. And we are on. You can find us on Facebook, or you can go to whimsyandwonder.net, and you can join for only $11 a month. But I wanted to show you, this is my tutorial for this month. I show our members how to make this, and this is a junk journal binder that will walk you through 12 months of anything, or actually it's a memory keeper. So I made the cover, and I made these awesome little pockets out of brown paper bags, out of lunch bags, and they have little pockets in here. They have pockets on each side. They have all kinds of decorations on them. They are bound together with a little lace binding. And I also created this really cool pop-up box, or it's a pop-up like package or box. A clear pocket. I actually have started stuffing it, so there's actually things in this one, so it's starting to get fat. And I used all kinds of items. I used old greeting cards. I used brown paper bags. I used scrap ribbon and scrap lace trim. And I just wanted to pop on and show it to you. So it was a lot of fun to do, and junk journaling is awesome, and it's my new therapy, but it also takes time, and so I wanted to let you know that that is where I have been. So let me know what you think of this in the comments, and if you're interested in joining the crafting group, again, it's called Whimzy and Wonder, and there are 6 of us coaches in there. I'm not the only one. I'm the cut craft coach, but we also have a everything DIY coach. We have a resin coach. We have a clay coach. We have a vintage coach. We have a fake bake coach. And I think that I just went through everybody. I'm the cut crafting coach. Robin is the DIY everything expert. Jane Ann is our fake bake coach. Carly is our clay coach. Michelle is our vintage coach. I'm Shell inside the group. And finally, Nancy, who is number 6, is our resin coach. So go on and check that out. But what do you think about this awesome, awesome junk journal? I'm so excited. And yeah, I can't give away any secrets. You have to join the group or buy the video for this one. Now, for tomorrow, I will be posting a bunch of videos to get started back on this little Book of Shadows junk journal that I did, and I'll give you a really quick walkthrough on that because I'm really excited as to how it came out. This was a blank scrapbook journal. It has a hardcover with a magnetic opening, and it had inside, instead of pages, it had chipboard, or it had very, very thick chipboard. So what I did was I recovered it. I put this really cool cover on it. I added signatures to it. I added my own pages to it that I am going to decorate. I used the accordion binder method so that it will stretch out really nice, and hopefully I don't fill it up too much in this. I haven't finished this part yet because I am going to go on ahead. There's something really cool that I want to add there, so I'm going to wait. And that's going to be something that trails out over onto the spine of the journal. So anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day today, and I look forward to picking this back up soon.